I dare you to fix me. Crossing the line
Good morning. How you doing?
falling on my knees.
Are you children?
Feels really cool. This one is the strongest knife. I've tested this knife before. This knife, my wife-in-law went and bought for me. It's very strong. Kaugula. Oh.
Let her push it. Let no horses think about why. Let horses in America. When you get me volume work is him ever. It me for shalom work. Let her. Look at what she's doing. Look at what she's doing. Look at the way she's insulting me. What have I done to this woman? What have I done to her?
This is Lonyara. If a busy easy on working. America, want to show yourself.
Don't disturb me.
Margaret.
What are you calling me? Why are you disturbing yourself, please? Now stop calling me, please. Let me do my thing, please. What have I done to you? Allow me, let me cook. Why are you disturbing yourself, calling my name? Respect yourself in this America. Oh. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, Michael. Respect yourself.
Why you behaving like this here?
If I thought you are a fool man, will I be here? You left your village, you left your home and come to another man's land. Claiming Oga, claiming boss. Look at you. Every morning you take your stuff. I won't blame you. Uzuzu Woko.
The character you possessed back there in Nigeria, you brought it here in America to disgrace me.
Who is disgracing you? I'm the one that is disgracing you in America. Are you not the one disgracing yourself? As old as you are, you're supposed to be in the village. You are here taking snuff.
You have everything it takes to cook inside. Just because of the food they bought for you. You said that it's a common food. It's a bad food. That you can't eat such food.
Let me cook my food and eat it alone. If you don't want to eat, I will eat it alone. Respect yourself. I said respect yourself. Oh. Don't show people how you are treating me back in Nigeria. Respect yourself. Now. Don't disturb me here. I must cook my food and eat it. I am not eating that thing you guys are eating. I can't eat it.
Is that the reason why you want to prepare it outside? Look at how the whole people are watching you. Disgracing me here in America. Is it a bad thing for your children to brought us here? Why are you disgracing yourself, Margaret, please?
I won't blame you. Uzuzu Woko. Respect yourself. Oh. Respect.
Why are you cooking with firewood here in America? Man, give respect to no one. I want to back in Nigeria. If you have a visual, what they should like.
Just subscribe. Please help me keep moving. Please subscribe and share it. As you finish it, share it. Help me share it. It will not cost you anything. Out of love, you can do it. Press the button and share it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Share it. I will bring the next episode, please. Share it and subscribe, please. I will bring the next episode. Thank you so much. God bless you as you do that. Amen.